Good morning.
Good morning.
Last morning at Kohler.
Last morning in one of the coolest campsites ever.
I love this campground. I want to come back. I think we might actually come back in like 2 weeks before we go to Colorado. The trails are right here. Yeah, it's just been awesome. People are so friendly. We've met like 20 people in our time here, and it was great to just like be active all weekend. And yeah, I'm stoked. I want to come back.
It's the beginning of week 2. What is the plan?
Run.
Gonna do a few runs today on Thunderdome and Family Flow. Just get some cardio in at the end of the day. Should be fun. Just woke up at Cracker Barrel after a lovely sleep, and now we're headed back to Kohler. Hopefully mountain bike a little bit today. You know, the weirdest part about being back in the van, being so close to home, is that it feels like a completely different place. We've lived here for 2 years, and just seeing it in a different way is really, really cool. What are you making for breakfast?
Egg burritos. And this time it's just eggs, avocado, Trader Joe's chili onion crunch, and tortilla. Getting ready to go mountain biking, and it's hot, very hot in the van, so I'm excited to get outside.
6:15 in the morning, and we are leaving the Cracker Barrel for a shower at Planet Fitness. It should be epic because we haven't showered in 3 days. Part of being really bad at mountain biking is having to walk this shit. Sucks. I guess the key to get a bunch of runs in is just overcommit when you're starting to go back up the hill. Don't even stop. Don't give yourself time to think. Absolutely stellar ride for the day. Holy crap.
Super sore in the last couple of days, so I'm just doing a 3-mile walk run. Good morning. Waking up at Cracker Barrel again. So excited, it's Friday, and we're gonna stay at the lake this weekend.
If you're wondering what breakfast looks like in the van,
For you.
for me, this is a hoagie roll, tuna packet, and some hot sauce. Breakfast of champs.
Where are we going?
We are going to the campground at Horseshoe Bend on Beaver Lake, and we're gonna stay there for the weekend.
I'm so excited because it's hot and we get to jump in the lake and basically just like live at the lake for the weekend.
This is our campground for the night and for the weekend, actually. Should be pretty cool. You want to push?
Yeah.
Never have a better dessert. Wausau cracker, cream cheese, and apple butter. It's like a cheesecake, essentially. What happened?
I think I got my wedding ring stolen at Planet Fitness.
That's going for a swim, baby. How's that? Well, this is pretty luxurious over here. Just chilling in the lake. Nice switch up from mountain biking. So we just made an amazing discovery. It should have been really obvious, but if you put a fan in front of this fire, it works amazing.
Good morning. I woke up and I wanted to watch the sunrise. Doing a little solo paddle. There's nobody on this lake right now. It's gorgeous and the leaves are just starting to turn. Happy Sunday morning. How you feeling?
I am very slightly hungover and very, very happy. We are doing a evening paddleboard right now. Should be pretty fun. Sunset's in about half an hour. Pretty good sunset.